Hey everyone, I'm Richard from Zappos.com, and today we are taking a peek at this fantastic backpack here from Burton. The front of this bag has that super secure 2-strap board carry system, which is always great. You're gonna have some external storage here on the outside of the bag, outside of that main compartment, starting with these 2 zipper pockets that you'll find on each side, which is great, super convenient, and another pocket there across the front for grab-and-go items that you'll want to access quickly without going through the main compartment. Here on the back, we're gonna have these super padded and soft shoulder straps so you can carry it around comfortably on your shoulders, and another pocket here on the very top lined with a very soft material, so it's perfect for like your sunglasses. And going to that main compartment here, you'll see the backpack opens up super wide. You're gonna have amazing organization with these padded sleeves here in the back. One for your laptop, another one here in the front, so you have a tablet or anything you want to slide in there. You can do that as well. And then there's some organization here across the front to keep your other stuff in place. So go ahead and click Add to Cart today. It's from Burton.